Hey guys, welcome to Stuffbox. In this video, I'll show you how to FTP to your VM instance on Google Cloud Platform. The procedure for Mac and Windows are different. I'll use a Mac and Filezilla on this video. If you haven't yet, please consider subscribing and help me out. Now let's begin. By default, you cannot easily open an FTP client and connect to Google Cloud. For extra security, Google requires us to have an SSH key before we can use an FTP client like Filezilla. There are two parts to an SSH key, a public key and a private key. A public key is like a lock, and a private key is like a key to your lock. We'll upload the public key to Google Cloud, which is our lock, and use the private key to unlock Google Cloud. Okay, so let's start. On your Mac, open Terminal. Let's execute the following command to create an SSH key. First, SSH-keygen. Then we want to specify what kind of key we want. Put -t, RSA. Now we want to specify where we want to save it. -f, and we want to put it on the home folder inside a hidden folder in your Mac called .ssh / whatever file name you want. Then we want to specify the username. That's -C, in this case admin. By entering this command, it will create both public and private key. Now let's press enter. It will ask you for this passphrase. This is optional, but for extra security, it's good to have one. When you type the passphrase, nothing will show up. Just keep typing, it will reconfirm with you. It created it, it's pretty quick, and it didn't give us any error. As you can see, it created a public key under the folder that we specified. So now we need to upload this public key to Google Cloud. So go to your Google Cloud platform. I have mine open here. Go to your VM instance. Go to Products, Compute Engine, VM instance. In this case, I have a website that I want to connect via FTP. So select that VM instance. And if you scroll down, it'll show you SSH Key. So SSH Key, you're going to need to create different SSH keys for different computers. In this case, I've uploaded one from one of my computer. So we can create another one and add it on this list. So simply click Edit. And we want to click on Show and Edit. Click Add Item. Now we need to go back to our terminal and upload this SSH key. We can do that by entering command cat and copy this whole thing and paste it there. Click enter. You want to copy this whole thing here, command C, and paste it here. Scroll down, click Save. Okay, so there it is. So now, to test if that works, let's open Filezilla. Go to File, Site Manager. want to create a new site. You can put whatever name you want. I'm gonna put that. Host, we need the IP of the host. Let's go back to our Google Cloud, and I'm going to copy this. Paste it under there. Protocol, we want SFTP. Login type, key file. Username, in this case is admin. And we want to enter our private key here. Want to go browse. Go to home. To show hidden files on High Sierra, shortcut is Shift Command period. Now you can see SSH. Pick our file name, which is this. Click open. Now for Filezilla, it will ask you for this. Other FTP clients doesn't usually ask you for this. So let's say yes. It will ask you for a password. And we'll name it. So now we're good. All we gotta do is click connect. This is a normal message that you'll get. That is just ensuring that you're trying to connect to this IP. And I'll say always trust. Click OK. Now we'll ask you for the passphrase that you created. And there you have it. We are connected. Thank you very much for watching. I hope this helped you. If you have any questions regarding this tutorial, please leave it in the comment below. And please don't forget to hit like and subscribe.